guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're going to be working on splitting. I'm sure you saw the previous video. We had these two giant half-rotted logs. I gotta get them out of here. So I'm just going to do a quick video, do a few tonight. These are pretty heavy. Should take me a little bit of time to get through these, but just don't forget to like, subscribe, share. You know, it's free to subscribe, and then you get the alerts when I'm gonna, you know, when a video gets posted, which really helps out. All right, well, here we go. Let me reposition, get situated. I want to warm up the county line real quick, and then we'll get to splitting. All right, it's not working. It's because it's too much on a hill. And this isn't a divot. This, I think, will work. Problem is the ground is so soft. Okay, let's try that. As you can see, I still have quite a bit to split up. I only did 2 of those giant rounds. Got quite a bit out of it. It's all oak. Oak is the best stuff to burn. It burns the hottest. It takes the longest to so-called season. I also have all my rots. So I'm going to save all those rots for the fire pit in the backyard. So those warm summer nights, it'll be nice to have a little campfire with the family. So nothing goes to waste, and that's the key. Nothing goes to waste. But all right, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget, when you subscribe, you instantly get notifications that a new video is out. So you get first dibs, basically, to check it out. Don't forget to check out the website for the merch. And my 3M headset. Man, I love this headset. Give me some ideas what to listen to. If you listen to podcasts, anything, drop me a comment. Let me know. But I'm out of breath. It's getting dark out. You can't see it too well on the camera, but it is getting dark out. So until next time, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. See ya.